Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if your AirPods are not working in Windows 10 and 11. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. I'm aiming to reach 10,000 subs as quickly as possible, and your support means the world to me. Step 1, check output device. First, right-click on the sound icon located on the bottom right of your screen and select Open Volume Mixer. Here, under the output device, ensure that your AirPods are selected. Expand the options if needed and make sure your AirPods are set as the output device. Step 2, access Registry Editor. Next, open the search bar and type regedit. Right-click on Registry Editor and run it as an administrator. Step 3, navigate to Registry Key. In the Registry Editor, navigate to H key local machine, then System, then Control Set 01, then go to Control, and then Class. Look for the folder named E0C. Right-click on it, go to New, and select String Value. Rename this new string value as PMP Capabilities. Step 4, set value data. Double-click on the newly created PMP Capabilities string value. Set the value data to 24 and click OK to save the changes. Step 5, restart your computer. Exit the Registry Editor and restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it. After restarting your PC, your AirPods should be working properly on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful and that it solved your AirPods issue. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Until next time, this is Genie wishing you a fantastic day.